Cream biscuits, so creamy with every bite.
Ya binaka big bull binaka and binaka, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
Yeah.
And we talk about binaka na Punja's new cream biscuits, so creamy in every bite. Bull binaka to all the viewers on the VTFM Facebook page and all the listeners tuning in to VTFM 92.2 FM, 92 FM, 92.6 FM in Reki and 92.4 FM in Singatoka.
Nawangango Ranjana.
Yeah.
Where are you going? Are you going to Reki?
No, I'm not going to Reki. I'm going to Nendi. Good morning to you too.
Good morning to you three. Thank you very much for the good morning. You know, it's very sometimes it's tough to wake up in the Monday morning.
Right.
But we believe in this weather. Yeah. Please, you are only be the problem if you wake up and you still down.
All right.
See,
yes, a lot of us eat a lot of food yesterday.
Yeah.
What
and
food?
when you wake up, and your mindset telling you, don't wake up, sleep again.
Right.
When you sleep again, you never mind your alarm is on, you will forever sleep.
Forever sleep me. Wala mo churi.
So we invite.
What?
We welcome Samuel Turangatani.
Right.
Atu Kurumundu is on 5 days leave. That means 1 week.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for your love, for
what?
belonging,
Right.
and your eternity,
For the what?
your belonging.
What's that?
That's a Vikatauken.
Oh, okay. Pabulutan via Koromundo, kaya siya mo may in Lao Tokyo, and mataka binaka ni kuha, and royan ramana kami na malim sarna siya mo. Ban ratal to kan wiki ni kesar nan rabani basi, rabani minibas oni bibagal ni. So bakila ito no so suning onisal. And ang onisal nga ko kito bayan ramambulutan wiki mo ni, and mataka ni kuha.
Hey, to all the drivers, the CWM hospital drivers.
Right.
Picking and come and drop the nurse in the hospital.
Yeah.
And the doctor and Rabinaka.
To Miss Tangida Kimbao, thank you very much for joining this morning.
Right.
Also to Joe Ratuba, William Menaisake, Pasione Makasiale, Tevita Wanono, and also to Taiwanga Noko.
Right.
Chris William, not forgetting John Nathan Rao,
Oi.
Egi Folau,
Right.
for joining this morning.
Ya mambol taltungan wiki ni kesar siya mo tumengor yan na Facebook page ni BTFM. Oni sar tumay and mataka binaka ni kuha. Kito sama yan taltungan ni wiki ni and mataka ni na may nakoro.
Hey, to all of you in the village,
Right.
yes, a lot of the father, they now coming back from the farm.
Yeah.
Used
Penguin.
Speed.
Use a spade and everything to go and bring the cassava and the tiro and the roro for lunch time.
Right. Bayan rito na bilang Gyokata, Ratu S Ndakuanga, wano ni binakaten gorto siya masarto may Queensland may Australia. Pasi madam bongi ni balu do yan rabinaka may sar chuka ngo may langgiri.
Hey!
Ibiya.
May Valim.
Valim, right.
Iyo yasa
Tukselebula.
The driver.
All right.
The driver.
Okay.
Looking after the nurse, taking the nurse.
Memengandolo Kurumundu.
That's
Lewa and Martha Mengel. Crew. And Rabinaka na BTFM on the go region mobile gonna Bailey Bridge. Pinabalim sara na siya mo tumay and namataka binaka ni ko.
Hey,
and the story.
You know what? Before.
What are you telling him? See the people watching you.
Yeah, I'm watching too.
Wait, like you doing one signal to him to go somewhere.
Eseta Kataki, Malombula, Tinebasa, thank you so much for tuning in.
Right.
Penayetava,
right.
And Rabina Keve. You know, before all the fathers, they used to play this game.
Yeah. What game?
Boxing.
I thought the Bangimoli.
Oh, no. Century.
Right.
They used to play the boxing, and some of them, they just used the boxing as the
weapon.
Protection, weapon.
Right.
Yeah, weapon.
Yeah.
And like all of them, they used to every time, every day in the afternoon, they didn't play touch. They just play this boxing thing,
Oh, okay.
And one day, when the time come, the boxing thing, all the grandfather, they being the grandfather,
evolve.
You people, And after that, the upcoming
Event.
one coming up, eh?
Yeah.
Upcoming one, and want to learn the boxing.
Ha.
And one day, no,
The people.
all this grandfather
Yeah.
was sitting in his veranda,
Right.
and looking outside, and saw one small boy
Ano
Yeah.
nakalusya?
running up and down,
Ah.
up and down every morning,
Ah.
every morning. One day he called this boy, hey, Lubengu,
Yeah.
come here. Why you running here every day?
Yeah.
You not playing rugby.
Yeah.
You not playing soccer.
Right.
Why you keep on running?
Yeah.
No, I want to go and learn how to boxing.
Oi.
Okay, so tomorrow morning,
Yeah.
don't pack your stuff and go to Lambasa town.
Yeah.
Just come here. I'm one big master before.
Oh.
Oi. Dami mo dilyo ka?
The people do.
Ah.
But no, this
Alam ka na duro na?
uncle here
Iya.
is he just learn how to fight, but boxing,
Yeah.
but not inside the ring.
Oh, outside the one side.
Everybody inside the ring is outside. He's outside just with the water bottles
Yeah.
and the towel. Eh?
Right.
The towel. And same time, oh yes, tomorrow morning I'll come.
Right.
Pack his all stuff and come. Okay, tomorrow morning when the grandfather was there, he saw this young boy coming.
Right.
Hey, you coming early in the morning?
Yeah.
No, I want to learn how to box, man. How to box.
Yeah.
Okay. So this afternoon, first
box.
lesson this afternoon.
Yeah.
We go and
Box.
no.
Fishing.
No, not fishing.
Oy.
We go and throw some bet.
Oh.
Throw bet.
Right.
This afternoon. So that can train your lungs. Lungs.
Your hands.
Your hand.
Ah.
Yeah, so
Shoulders.
that they can strong.
Iya.
Yeah.
That afternoon they learn how to throw the bat and make the
Bring back, bilang throw the bed.
Yeah.
Oi.
make the muscle
Press up.
strong.
Oi.
Yeah. After that, press up.
Yeah.
After that, sit up.
Right.
Chin up.
You chin up. First day.
Tukono gilan rawo ko ni konchu.
First day.
Iya.
And in the afternoon,
Yes.
this boy don't want to eat dinner.
Oi, lolo.
Same time sleep.
He wants to train his
Stomach.
Yeah.
Stomach. Press up. Sleep. Tomorrow morning, run again. The second day he said, okay, now I'll teach you how to jab. How to jab. Next day.
jab.
First jab, second jab.
Yeah, first jab, second jab,
COVID.
jab up, jab down.
Ah.
And then that day,
Iya.
he said, okay, now is your time.
Right.
Swing your hand.
Yeah.
Swing your hand. Show me what you learn
Right.
from the. And same time, this boy throw like this.
Yeah.
Throw like this. And same time, like doing that jab and
Right.
all. Okay.
Ano?
A contact.
And this young boy was like focused, eh?
Iya.
And the fourth day, the grandfather said, okay,
Iya.
you just go to in front there,
Yeah.
in front of the road. My bull macau there. Go and fight the bull macau and come back.
Wow.
And this young boy was thinking.
Yeah.
And he said, don't think. Go and fight the bull macau and come back.
Who's Bull Macau?
He's the bull macau.
Dangasi.
Nagase.
Ah.
And when the young boy knows, no, this Ngase is Wakachikachimi.
Iya.
Wakachikachimi. And he asked all the people from there, hey, this Ngase is the real boxing.
Jelet, ano na? Ha,
And
may.
he said, no. Then Ngase all the time.
Iya.
All the time when all the boxers inside the ring,
Yeah.
then Ngase outside
Yeah.
with the towel
Yeah.
and the water bottles.
Yeah.
When the fight is going up,
Yeah.
then Ngase run away.
The master of the fighter.
Yeah.
The master of the fighter.
Yeah.
When he had one voice
Yeah.
or the fight going up,
Iya. Video ka.
he throw the bottle of
Yeah.
the towel and
Iya.
run.
Iya. Dan kasi from Bonole, we.
No, Kutele.
Yo, benar-benar besar, kami ni sar cikumaya nama taka bina kani kodo na kasi ni Bonole we atal na taka cuko sam. Au kala aku kumbe kaya. Turang do bi terentaki.
Oh, kuku keke.
Kuku kaya na rabu basi. Wa mo tani bi jay lutu na singa han rabu na ka my Christchurch wanu ni bina katiani and mataka ni ko Sabrian Marama. Sagani wanu ni bina katiani. Smaro taka cuko na dan Venici. Bolo bina kami tuk selebula. Samutura kata ni ko so man na iksasin sesang.
Hey,
Iyo.
Tux, boleh binakai?
Wano ni binakati ni mataka binaka ni korong ba?
Eda po Ronald J. Ronald J ito si Roy mo.
Iyo.
Hey, binabali dos.
Right.
Thank you very much for joining this morning.
Right.
It's now that year is going down.
Right. Iya.
Iyo.
Long-
Sa zero na yan bak.
Oh, ina nung dedelingan.
Zero so mo mezib.
Iya.
Yeah, and we know that year is going down.
Right.
Everything will be coming easy and smoothly.
Dano binaka.
But it will be tough if you are not believing in
Right.
yourself.
Ayo, sulas hindi kita Ngoro ko yang ganga na noa ana buku ni Father's Day binabalim sara. Siya mo cikum ngori may narere may Omcar Road. May nabosay.
Ito naman rin ito nga bite reaki.
Right.
Siya mo cikum may napuno lebo ositirelli.
Dono binak nga. Dono likes, dono mo share. Siya tangan na live video ngori nung page sa page